Welcome to AutoFill Resume Pro. In this quick tour, I'll show you how to enter your details, build a resume, style it, and export to PDF, all in just a few clicks. You can adjust the app's window size by dragging the bottom edge smaller if you're using a smaller screen. The resize will stay in place across all forms, and a vertical scroll bar appears automatically if you need to move through longer sections. Each field includes a placeholder as a guide, showing you exactly what kind of information to enter, making it quick and easy to complete each section. Start on the dashboard by entering your personal details. I'll type a name live, then tap to the next field. You can tab through each field so you never have to reach for the mouse. Notice there's a Save button, but your info also auto-saves every 2 minutes and on navigation, so you never lose your work. Once your personal details are in, choose what you'd like to create first. Let's click Resume to get started. Pick your paper size, A4 or US letter. I'll select A4 for this demo. Next is your professional info. Fill in your summary, then add up to 2 qualifications, each with degree, major, college, university, and year range. You can also click the spell check icon to proof as you go. I'll paste in mine, but feel free to type if you prefer. On the skills page, just list your top skills. Then on work experience, type your position, company, location, and date range. When entering your key responsibilities, click Enter after each point. Bullet points will be added automatically, making formatting effortless. Click Go to Preview, and you'll see how your resume looks. If you need to tweak any fields, just click back, edit your information, and preview again. If you're working on a larger screen and want to see more of the template at once, you can easily resize the window. You can either click the Maximize button to expand it fully. Keep in mind, if you click the Maximize button again, the window will return to its center default size. Or you can drag the window's top up and the bottom edge down to make it larger manually. When you leave the template preview and return to other sections, the app automatically resets the form size to default, keeping your workspace neat. As you complete each section, the progress bar fills, so you know how close you are to done. Style your document with the font, size, color, and icon controls. Then click Export to PDF. All page sizes are preset. You can then choose to save as PDF or print and you're done. You can go straight to the cover letter from the completion screen like this, or access it anytime from the dashboard. When you reach the hiring manager's name field, just tab into it and type the name, let's say Mr. Smith, and the app instantly generates Dear Mr. Smith for you. Fill out the rest, click Go to Preview. If you'd like to add references, simply click References and follow the same steps. You can add up to 5 references here. Just fill in as many as you need. I'll quickly paste in a couple of reference entries here too. The process is the same. That's it. All your data stays safe for future edits, and you can jump back in any time. Thanks for watching.